Cause them niggas over here acting sick. All these niggas, they apologize. And them niggas tryna ride or die. How the fuck you do this when you ain't got no eye? Hold up, nigga, subtract, multiply. Divide, subtract, how you do that shit? I'm about to go mix. I'm smoking all up on this shit. Nigga, you can't tell me shit. I'm just ballin' like a bitch. Whoa, all these niggas counterfeits. Yeah, and them niggas got ain't rich. I don't get no fuck cause I do what I did. And niggas pull up and I don't have no kids. And the niggas wanna flex. Nigga, you know I'm the best. I been shooting with my tech. Nigga shooting all the rest. Fuck all of these exes. I don't give no fuck, I ain't stressing. Nigga pull up, I ain't doing what I do. Cause all these niggas acting just like a fool. All these niggas ride around like Scooby-Doo. And them niggas pull up with the two. Well, guess what my gang is gonna get you too. I don't get no fuck pulling up with the scoop. I got money, we sharing it to the gang. Cause my nigga the king, that's how we roll. I don't get no fuck, how you feeling, bro? I'm smoking up on this drove. Whoa, I fuck your bitch at the toe. But I ain't even stop no more. I'm just smoking loud. After that, we smoking up by the pound. All these niggas, they cannot hear no sound cause my verse is getting over here fucking louder. And my chain, this shit shining. Ayy, and them niggas, they just running. Yeah, I'ma hit them with the diamond. Yeah, and them niggas Taylor gang. Nope, and them niggas tryna swing. Yeah, I'm just swinging and I bang. Yeah, all these niggas take my chain. Psych, nigga, you ain't gonna take my chain. And them niggas wanna smoke. I'm just smoking on this loud. I'm just smoking by the pound. Your bitch can't hear no sound. She wanna hear the ringtone now. After that she wanna fuck me now. But I cannot do that, little girl. Cause you 15 and you can't do. Yeah, nigga, man, I just do whatever I gotta do to get this money and I'm about to go cool. I'ma go ahead and I'ma pull up with the crew. And these niggas rapping hard, just little Snoop. Whoa, niggas don't smoke it loud. Well, I been smoking loud by the pound. Nigga, y'all bitch can't hear no sound. Yeah, I'm smoking it on the now. Hold up, nigga, man, I'ma go catch it up. If your bitch wanna fuck, bitch, so I wanna fuck. Hold up, I'm about to go turn up. Cause this beat going so hard, I'ma mix it up. After that, I'ma go catch it back. If your bitch on my dick and she smoking crack, how the fuck you do this? Cause you can't do that. Hold up, baby girl, cause that's not a jet. And it's not a jet. Hold up, nigga, I'm just mixing up, I mix it up. Hey, how the fuck you do this shit? But nigga, you can't even drink no cup. Hey, I'm just go ahead and I'm drinking that lean. I'm smoking that bean. And your bitch get in between. Psych, I'm watching over here, I'm trying to watch TV. Yeah, my swag is legit. Your bitch, she just like my drip. Look at my kicks, my chain, my dress. You look at my wrist. And she like how I do. Cause bitch, you just a fucking fool. I don't give no fuck cause I dress like Scooby-Doo. You talking that shit, I'ma shoot you with that Ruger. Ooh, and I turn up for that Tuga. Yeah, and them niggas know how I feel. I'm just popping hard just like a pill. All these niggas know me, man, nigga, I'm for real. Man, 20 on me, man, it's about to kill. Nigga talking that shit. Nigga, you and sister, bitch. I don't give no fucking shit. Cause I'ma shoot you in your lip. Ha.